Yes. Now the next question is, if a equal to if a equal to 6 minus root 35, find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. A square plus 1 by a square. So before solving this question, first you tell me a square plus b square can be written as, how can you write? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab you can write. Am I right or wrong? No, not getting. Okay, fine. Now a plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here what we need? A square plus b square we need. So bring this term. That is a plus b the whole square plus 2ab becomes minus 2ab, which is equal to a square plus b square. That's what a square plus b square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Which one? A square plus b square you can write. Now, so if you get these type of questions like the reciprocal of the given, a square plus 1 by a square, a cube plus 1 by a cube. So what you have to do? You have to take the reciprocal of the given. That is, a is given that 6 minus root 35. So 1 by a is nothing but 1 by 6 minus root 35. 1 by 6 minus root 35. Now what you have to do? You have to rationalize the denominator. That is, here what is the rationalizing factor? 6 plus root 35, because we are having 6 minus root 35 in the denominator. So what should be multiplied? Yeah, you have to multiply by 6 plus root 35 in both numerator and denominator. That is, we are trying to get the equivalent fraction of that. That is 6 plus root 35. Now 1 into 6 plus root 35 is 6 plus root 35. Look at the denominator. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So you can write a square minus b square. It is nothing but 6 square minus root 35 the whole square. 6 square minus root 35 the whole square, which is equal to 6 plus root 35 by 6 square is 36. Root 35 into root 35 is 35. It is nothing but 6 plus root 35 by 1, which is equal to 6 plus root 35. So they asked us to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. A square plus 1 by a square. So we know that a square plus 1 by a square can be written as a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. Otherwise, once again I will show you how we are getting this one. So we know that a plus 1 by a the whole square is what? A square plus 1 by a, that is a plus b the whole square. It is a square, b is 1 by a. So 1 by a the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a into 1 by a. Here b is what? 1 by a. Am I right here? So a you can cancel here. So just to substitute the value of a as well as b, the value of a is 6 minus root 35, and then the value of 1 by a is 6 plus root 35. So this is the value of what? 1 by a. 1 by a is what? 6 plus root 35. So 6 plus root 35 the whole square, which is equal to a square. 1 square is 1, then by a square plus 2 here. So minus root 35 plus root 35 you can cancel. So 6 plus 6 is 12 the whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. 12 square is nothing but 144 minus 2 equal to a square plus 1 by a square. Therefore, a square plus 1 by a square, that is equal to 142. This is the answer for the given question. Are you getting dear? Yes. Shall we move to the next part of the question? Yes, dear. Now, the next question is given like x equal to 3 plus root 8. X is equal to 3 plus root 8. Tomorrow also I will revise only this one. Wednesday, till Wednesday we will revise the number system, and then Thursday, Friday polynomial. On Saturday we will revise which one? Coordinate geometry. Am I right here? Okay. Now the given question is, if x is equal to 3 plus root 8, find x square plus 1 by x square and x cube, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay. Here x square is the 1 by x square is the reciprocal of x square. So what you have to do? You have to take the reciprocal of the given. So 1 by x is nothing but 1 by 3 plus root 8. So you have to rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor? 3 minus root 8. So 3 minus root 8 should be multiplied. So 1 by 3 plus root 8 into 3 minus root 8. Here denominator also I have to multiply by 3 minus root 8. So 1 into 3 minus root 8 is 3 minus root 8. Now look at the denominator. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So you can write a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus root 8 the whole square. 3 minus root 8 by 3 square is 9, root 8 the whole square is 8, which is equal to 3 minus root 8 by 1. 9 minus 8 is what? 1 here. Now x plus 1 by x the whole square you find. X plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. A is x here, b is 1 by x here. Now x you can cancel here. Now the value of x is given that 3 plus root 8, and then value of 1 by x we found as 3 minus root 8. So 3 plus root 8, this is the value of x, this is the value of 1 by x. So 3x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Plus 2. Now root 8 minus root 8 you can cancel. So 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6 square equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 here. So 6 square is 36. Bring this 2 from right hand side to left hand side. So it will become minus 2, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So 36 minus 2 is nothing but 34. Therefore the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 34. The value of x square plus 1 by x square is 34. So we found the answer for the first part. Am I right here? Now look at the second part of the question. They asked us to find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So again, we know that x square plus 1 by x square the whole square. X square plus 1 by x square the whole square, that is equal to, now expand a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into x square into 1 by x square here. So x square you can cancel. So x square plus 1 by x square already we found, it is nothing but 34. So 34 the whole square is equal to x power 2 the whole power 2, that is a power m the whole power n, which is nothing but a to the power mn. So x to the power 4 plus 1 square is 1, x square the whole square is x to the power 4 plus 2 here. Now multiply 34 into 34. 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 4s are 12, 9 plus 1 is 10 here. 6 5 1 1 5 6 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 here. So 1156 minus 2 is 1154 equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Therefore, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 1154. Is equal to 1154. Are you getting there? Yes. So these type of questions also you can expect. Okay. So you have to go through everything there. Okay. First you complete your NCERT, and then after that you have to practice the extra questions whatever we are giving. Okay, so what are the questions we are giving, just you go through once and then practice more and more. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will solve 2-3 questions. Thank you everybody. Thank you.